My dad ran his own shop where we lived, and I went to work with him every single day. Even at like 6 years old, he was teaching me as much as he could. The feeling to be able to take something that's broken and fix it was awesome, and that's why I stuck to it. So the shop I work for back in Kalispell, we work on all sorts of stuff, new, old, everything in between. I do a lot of the older stuff as far as like the muscle cars, all the engine swaps and stuff. So the reason I came to WyoTech, when I was already working at a shop, was to broaden my diagnostic skills, my wiring skills, and gain more confidence in what I'm doing. I've done automotive core program here at WyoTech as well as HPPT. So my experience with WyoTech has been fantastic. The staff here is super supportive. It's just been an all-around great experience. The reason I went through core automotive was to gain more troubleshooting skills as far as electrical. That was really important to me. It was something that I felt that I could be better at, and I chose to add HPPT on because it's my passion. It's what I love. It's high performance engines and vehicles, all of that. I have a 1980 Dodge D150. Basically, I just wanted like a little shop truck, something to go get parts in, you know, something fun I could drive to work every day. That's why I didn't go too buck wild with the engine that's in it, and I put a manual in it. It's got a 5-speed, so it's just a fun cruiser. I do plan on getting it painted. The color I'm thinking about going is kind of an old school Dodge color. It's a plum crazy purple metallic. Once it goes purple, I'll probably call it the Purple People Eater. My long-term goal after WyoTech is eventually I'd like to own my own speed shop in the town I live in or nearby. The reason I want to do a shop in that town is my home. Might as well do what I love in a place I love. I think coming here I'm able to kind of make my dad proud. I lost him in 2015 to a heart attack. He's my best friend, and he's why I got into cars.
So anybody considering going to WyoTech, don't even consider it anymore, just do it. You won't regret it.